estimates for entry number 317. Do you want to build a snowman?
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Do you wanna build a snowman? Or ride our bikes around the halls? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls. It gets a little lonely, all these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say I have courage and I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you, just let me in. We only have each other, it's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman.